So let's try to combine these two data frame objects to create a larger dataset. Basically, we want to join the winning teams from the FIFA World Cup and the Rugby World Cup based on the common columns between the two datasets. Let's have a look at the code. We will create a new data frame and we call it dfteams using the concat function. Here we notice that we combined the two data frames together. The one on top is the data frame of the FIFA World Cup, and the second one represents the Rugby World Cup teams. We notice there are several issues with this new dataset. First, on the most left side, we notice the new dataset actually combined the original index values from the FIFA World Cup and the Rugby World Cup datasets. So the new index value is basically a combination of the two old index values. That's why it has some duplication.